Hello, and it's time for another unpackaging. More items for my tub of magic. My tub of fun. By tub of fun, I mean this tub full of all sorts of goodies that I've been collecting for the last year or so. All kinds of retro computing, Atari ST Falcon upgrades, Gotex, USB drives, mouse adapters, video adapters, all kinds of stuff, RAM upgrades, power supplies, and while I have the income to allow me to do so, I try to buy as much of this stuff as I can because I have so many machines I want to set up at some point. And of course that'll be a process. Hopefully I'll document that too. So let's open this one up. See what this is. This one is from, once again, our good friend Eduardo Arana in España. And remember which one this was. Hi, this is a 14 meg Falcon upgrade. So this is for the Atari Falcon. Yay! I have currently, I believe, 4 machines, and a friend of mine promised to give me a 5th machine. Hi, Eve. I have another friend I'm getting one from, but that one will already be souped up. I think all my Falcons except one have 14 meg upgrades, but I thought it'd be handy to pick up one more easy one just in case. And you never know when you'll find that odd machine where you need another upgrade. So while they're available, I thought I would pick one up. So here we go. This is a real slick and simple plug-and-play style upgrade card. And there it is. He gave me another one of those little fun floppy keychain devices. Just stuck to it by mistake there, but yeah, it's just a card. Got your plug-in ports there. And of course, I assume this is 16 megs, but the Falcon OS only recognizes 14. That's the way it's usually done. So there you go, that's that. Thanks for watching. More coming. Gonna open some more today.